Hello, good morning, my dearest little champs. How are you? I hope you all are very good, fit, and fine. So, today we are going to starting a new chapter in computer subject. Here, the unit number 4. The name of this chapter is Windows. So, Windows is a very important part in our computer because without window our computer cannot be work any type of process. Okay, so you have to must be concentrate here in the window chapter. So first one we are started with the how to start window. So how we start window? So whenever you please just turn on your computer, the first screen you have to see here a first screen. This screen is called Windows Start screen. Here your Windows system is directly open by default when you turn on your computer. When you switch on your computer, the Windows screen is automatically started. So this first screen of Windows screen, this is called a desktop. So this first screen of your window, this is called a desktop, right? This is called a desktop. Here you can see a left corner, there is a one button. That button is called a start button, and with the help of start button we have to open a start menu in our desktop. Right now the second keys are here. There is a small picture you can see here in this screen. These small pictures all are called icons. These small pictures are called icons. Now the taskbar. So what is taskbar here? The bottom line of the desktop, this line of the bottom line, this is called a taskbar of a computer screen. Now date and time. What is date and time? You can see here there is some gadgets are here in a right corner of your computer screen. These gadgets are showing a date and time. These are called gadgets, and you can say them a gadget screen. Okay, now we are going to detailed discussion of this each part. First one, starting with the mouse pointer. We all aware about the mouse. Mouse is always present on a mouse pad, right? We all know that mouse is always present on a mouse pad, right? This is our mouse, right? So with the movement of our mouse, there is a one point that can be shown on a computer screen. This point is also moved with our mouse. If we move our mouse on a left hand side, then this arrow can also be moved in a left hand side. If we move our mouse on a right hand side, so this arrow on a screen can also be moving in a right hand side. So we can say that when you move the mouse on a mouse pad, there is a one arrow on a screen also be moved with our mouse movement. Okay, so it shows the mouse direction on a screen. So we can say that this is a computer screen. So with the movement of our mouse, this arrow can also be moved. This arrow can also be moved. So this arrow can be show a direction of a mouse, right? So this arrow is mainly called a mouse pointer. So mouse pointer on a screen can be moved with the movement of a mouse on a mouse pad. So whatever we give a direction and whatever we give a command with the help of mouse on a mouse pad, so whatever the movement we have creating in a mouse pad, that movement occur on a computer screen. Okay, with the help of this arrow. Now icon means the small picture on a screen, that all are called a icon, as I told you. Now what is taskbar? The bottom line, or you can say that the horizontal bar at the bottom desktop, that is called a taskbar. So what is the horizontal line? Horizontal line means the width line. You can see here this is a width line, and this width line is called a horizontal line, and this is a standing line, and this standing line is called a vertical line. So our taskbar is given in a horizontal way. So we can say that this is a horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. It is occur at the ending part of a desktop, or you can say that the bottom part of the desktop, the taskbar line in our computer screen. So there are lots of different parts are present in a taskbar line. Which parts are present? First one part that is a start button. You can see here in this picture. This is called a start button, right? So with the help of the start button, we can easily open a start menu. Okay, we can easily open a start menu, and in the start menu we can find a different types of programs. Okay, so this is all about start button. Now next part of a taskbar, the next part of a taskbar, that is a middle section. So what is the work of the middle section? The middle section is quickly open any type of file which we have already opened in our past, right? So whatever the file and program we opened in our past, that file is directly we quickly open with the help of middle section, and the middle section is mainly present after a start button. Okay, you can see here in this picture, these are all are called a middle section. Whatever the file you have opened, they directly showing in this taskbar. Okay, now after this middle section we are going for quick launch toolbar. So quick launch toolbar is mainly used for our favorite program or our favorite schedule cast. I can show you this quick launch toolbar in our practical. Now what is system tray? The system tray means, you can see here in a right corner there is some gadgets are present. These gadgets are showing our time and date on a computer screen. You can see here in this picture, the right corner they show a time and date. So this time and date is called a system tray. So this is all about our today's session. In next session we will meet and talking about some more further information regarding this window. Okay, so now we are going to ending here. So bye bye, take care.